Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my smoothie bowl. As you guys have seen what I post on my Instagram, on my Facebook account of my fancy smoothie bowl, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make it. Recently, I'm quite upset making smoothie bowl. Well, actually, I just having fun making it because I don't always eat what I make. You know what I mean? I just made it and then I took a picture and posted on my social media account and then I gave it to Kyle or gave it to Kyle's mom. I just having fun to throw some ideas on it. So that's what I like to do. And yesterday I went to Walmart and I got a couple things that it looked fun to make with the smoothie bowl. So I'm just so excited to do it today. And this is the one I got is like a cookie cutter. I'm gonna cut it with my banana and cookie dropper. I hope to make a ball from the cantaloupe. So I got cantaloupe and I got more banana for my smoothie. Oh yes, and one more thing. I also got the chia seeds. I'm so excited to try how it's gonna turn out. Let's do it! Woohoo! Oh, first of all, you may wanna soak your chia seed in the milk. I make it like a chia pudding, so I add the chia seed around here, and then I add milk and a couple spoons of maple syrup. It tastes pretty good. Well, to make a smoothie bowl is super easy, guys. I'm just gonna so you know, because you can just throw whatever fruits you like to eat in it and blend it together. But don't forget banana because this is the hero, it's the main character. It's the main thing, it's the most important part to give the smoothie texture. Oh yes, and you gotta use frozen fruit. So just throw your fruits that you would like to make smoothie in the deep freeze or in your freezer. And then that will be it. Okay, I'm gonna move my blender closer. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm going to just add everything. My recipe is, I have no precise measurements. I'm just gonna add it however I want. Banana. I use only half of it. Milk. Just a little bit of milk because you don't want it to be like a smoothie drink. But I just want the consistency thick, like yogurt. Oh, I also add some sugar because I like sweet thing. My smoothie is not for weight losing, so I don't care. 1, 2, 3. So some people they add the protein powder, but I don't. So I'm just gonna add my collagen powder. Okay, let's see how this looks. Oh wow. Pink.
Missing someone without you. Missing someone.
yummy, isn't it? Now let's eat it. So if you guys want to try it, go ahead and have fun and show me how does your smoothie bowl look like. I hope to see a fun idea, more inspiration from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!